Hey guys, now I'm going to tell you about the trade that I took in Apple today. So let's go to the daily chart. These are the levels that I pre-marked it. This was the previous day high and this was the close, and this was the low and the open of the previous day. So these levels are really important for me to trade. And like today, as we go to the hourly chart, like this was typically the level that I wanted to short because this was the sell zone. Or you could say the mm, like here most of the selling has taken place before. Like if you look around here, like the price dramatically came down right after reaching this level, so the price has some travel going up. So as you could see, like this is the hourly chart that I have, and I mostly use 50-minute chart because that gives me a better analysis. Like it's a midpoint. Like even if I want to make the entry, then I move on to the 5 minute. But as you could see, like this was a kind of a triangle that was forming here, and you could see. I'll just use this one. Just a second. Use drawer. Uh, Price ejected around here, then around here. Like this was the double top. You could say double top was forming, and I was expecting the price to drop below here, like 173. So that will trigger my entry point, and I just wanted to sell around this point. Just a second, I'll just use the other lines instead of this. So help you better understand this. Like this was the level that I wanted to. This is in the black and white mode. I'll just change it to color, just to make you see better. I'll just highlight this line. This one would have been the target, and this was my entry around here. You could say 173. You could say exactly 170, yeah. And my stop loss was around here, 173.56. Once this broke this triangle and this trend line, you could say, like from two consecutive lines from both sides, coming like from the bottom as well as from the top, they form into a triangle. You could see, the price moved here. Then I sold around 172 point something. I sold quite early, like I sold around 172.10. Because I was, like as you could see the wick, I thought like the price might, make a counter trend. So that's why I sold around 172.50. Yeah, this was a good trade. Like I did made some money on this. This was the only trade that I took today because the price was like some false rejections. Now I'll show you like yesterday night I was trying to take the trade for the USDCAD currency pair. I'll just try to show you here 1 hour. Like this is the 1 hour, this was a ascending triangle. As you could see, the price was forming the higher lows here. It was kind of this one, right? And price overnight breakdown here. I was expecting it to come around here if it broke down, but like midway it started rising and it made a breakdown. Like neither it went up, neither it went down. And then there were two false breakdowns, I could say, and now the price is coming back again. So it was a difficult day for the market. I would say like I just traded only one instrument today. I just didn't want to confuse myself. And there was one other thing. Like I was thinking of shorting Amazon in the starting. Here you could see 110. 110 is a psychological level. As most of us we know that this is the 15-minute chart that I'm into, and price was kind of struggling around here. You could see price tends to move here and then fall back. Once it's 100 110, and then price again reaches 110. This was the double top, I could say, and I should have taken this trade. Like I should have sold around like 109. This came to 110, and I should have sold it around here. I'll just show you. This could have been the target, or in the other words, 109. This could have been the target, and this could have been the entry, 110. This could have been the stop loss. Just I would say 20 cents. 20 cents to earn $1. So it was a like one risk to reward ratio 1 to 5. I should have taken this trade, I could have earned much more on this. In comparison to the Apple trade that I took, I had a like little bit wider stop loss because I didn't want the stop loss to be hit. Because this was a typical bit wider range from 173 to 173.55. Like it was a 50-cent range. That's why I took that stop loss. Luckily, it worked out my way. And for other chart analysis, please follow my channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.